invited. Well, we were invited.
Back in right here.
What's up, guys? Old GTR. Honda. I'll grab my cigarette SB. Alright guys, we're here. See over here, we got a brand new NSX GTR C7. Damn.
Oh, NSX. It's beautiful. Such a beautiful car, man. RX-7.
Are you gonna put it in the bag? I will be able to go through.
Super.
What's that?
I brought my lawn chair, my cool here. Yeah. Nice cold.
Super cool.
You want to sit down?
Seen this right-hand drive 300? Super great. There's the supercharged K24 EK.
No biggie, just $3,000 in wheels.
These mics. It's a supercharged one from ICC.
Yeah.
A little bit of Volkswagen action. There's the right-hand drive RX-7. Beautiful little car, man. C7. A couple R35 GTRs out here tonight. Beautiful. Subi. Boosted SS Camaro.
This one's boosted.
Got some Supras, a couple RX-7s. We got some Skylines out here tonight. It's a good turnout, guys. A little Grom squad. This S2000 is sick. This thing makes about 750 to the rear wheels, I believe. The F20C boosted. Lexus here. It's nice, man. Ferrari. That's dope. That's cool. What motor is in these things?
Turbo 2 liter.
Turbo 2 liters?
Eco.
Oh, that's pretty dope. When it gets dark out, that probably looks real sick.
No, the lights under the headlights, they were right underneath, but the 3M let go, so I just taped
okay.
them to the brace. But I'm gonna put a light kit underneath.
Yeah. It's nice though,
Before
man.
it actually sat right here, so it would actually kind of fill this, so it kind of looked like it had red,
Yeah.
irritated eyes.
It's cool.
And I had red off inside the grill when I first got the thing, but within a month the LED just let go, and
Yeah.
I lost one driving home.
That'll happen. It's a nice car, man. Just want to boost it at last. Oh no, it's in there. Clean ass little FA5. Civic SI. What is this? It's this old Toyota Corolla. Sick. This thing's pretty nasty here,
I
guys.
don't know if that's the same one, but he got his this year. Wait, are you talking about?
It's got a 2J in it. That's nasty as fuck.
Oh, no, he didn't have that one.
2JZ, no shit.
No shit.
Ugh. She's fucking clean as fuck.
See my homeboy with the shirt?
I did not.
That's crazy. They were coming up with this stuff in the
Super.
Big homie Joe. Like the
Oh,
early
yeah.
2000s. It's crazy.
Super clean. Excuse me, guys. Full right-hand drive. R32, baby. I love them. I'd love to have an R32 one day. They are getting more common to see these days, too. They're getting cheaper and cheaper. Some of them, at least. Elon Musk. Fiesta ST. Go. LS13 Coupe. Straight drift spec. Sick. I miss my 240. Here we go. Supra. Super clean. It's my dream car right here. And it's right-hand drive. Oh yeah. Nice car, man.
Oh, thanks, man. He brought
Beautiful.
it over and he had it in the garage. It was when it was snow. Like, when we went to
Newer
Park
Supra?
Yes.
BMW, whatever y'all want to call it.
That was when I sent that video of the whole parking lot that freaking doing the donut.
They are nice though. They do look sick with the new body kits on. Subaru Forester, I think. STI back there. We got the old FRS over here. Check this thing out for you. Let's see if it's boosted. Woo. What's going on, guys?
How's it going?
It's clean, man.
Thank you.
This yours?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. What's all done to it?
I'll see you later, buddy. So it's got supercharger. It's running E85, running about 333 to the wheels.
333?
Yeah,
Hell
it's got 18 by 9.5 forged aluminum wheels with 265 millimeter tires all the way around. Functional aero, the front splitter and rear diffuser and underbody panels all the way through. It's got uncatted exhaust all the way, unequal length headers, ceramic coated and wrapped, lightweight battery.
A little battery in there.
Brembo brakes.
How much are these little batteries like this?
It depends.
I was looking at a couple cars that were running those.
You
Do you have to charge it real often or no?
So during the winter, I'll take the battery in,
Yeah.
keep it on trickle charger all winter. But when it's nice out, nice and warm in the summer, I leave it in the car. I never take it out.
Oh yeah. That's nice.
Thank you.
What supercharger setup is it?
The Edelbrock supercharger.
Okay. I see a lot of guys are doing the Craftworks, the Rotrex setup on these.
Yes. Yeah,
My brother has.
Centrifugal supercharger.
Yeah, my brother's got the Craftworks Rotrex set up on his 09 SI,
I got you.
and it's a cool little setup they got going there.
Yeah.
It's the first car I've ever drove with a Rotrex supercharger on it.
Really? Yeah, they're pretty good. I was.
He didn't want it. He didn't want it.
You don't want that. Hey, look at the old Lightning though. That's sick. Supra and the old Lightning. Quit it. Boosted LS on Honda. And you know we got the CTS-V. It's like the newer one, V2. Maybe? I don't know much about it. Nasty though. Just waiting on my boy with his K24 4-door DC Integra, and then we're gonna roll out. It's nice, man. That ass though.
60-day tag. Where do I get them?
The Lightning is sick, man. I love the Lightning. A 40. You want a 20 or a 40? Roll 370Z. You honk.
Tähän on röynä, tiedät,